गाइस, मैं हूँ हिमानी और मैं वापस आ गई हूँ with yet another video with my favorite channel हर जिंदगी. Well, I have a little announcement which is big for me, which is we are no longer a family of 3 because we are pregnant. Yes guys, we will soon be a family of 4. Well, you guys are the first ones to know. Yes guys, I've just made an announcement on Instagram, but after that you guys are the first ones to know about this big news. So now we are a family of 4. We have been actually planning it for quite a long, and आज के video is very important because I'm going to tell you few pregnancy terms जो in my first pregnancy I was really taken aback that what are these pregnancy terms which everybody is talking about. So that's why I thought let's start the pregnancy journey with telling you few of the terminologies which every pregnant mom should know, and if you are one of the first pregnant mom, you are getting pregnant for the first time, I think these terminologies will really help you go through the journey. The number one is baby blues. आपने बहुत सुना होगा. It's basically a mild depression जो बहुत सारे women को feel होता है after the baby is born. So basically when a baby is born you are at home for about 40 days which is like a general scenario. तो जब आप उस टाइम घर पे होते हो, आप इतने टाइम बाद you just stuck at home, so उस टाइम पे it is a possibility that you have a feeling of hormones, you have a lot of hormones going on. So that is what is called a baby blue period. So don't get scared. It's actually normal and you will pass through it. Number second is, which actually we all begin with, is morning sickness. Is basically a feeling of nausea or vomiting जो generally in the first trimester, which is in the first 3 months of your pregnancy, आपको feel होता है. And also a point to be noted, it is not only that it only happen in the morning, it can happen at any time of the day. So don't get scared. It's just termed as morning sickness, but it's basically a feeling of nausea or vomiting which you will feel because of the hormonal changes which are happening in your body. And also don't worry, it just happens almost in 90% of cases. ये सिर्फ first trimester में होता है, which is in the first 3 months. All of these feeling and all of this nausea actually get better with the second trimester. Next up is cesarean section, which is a C-sec where you have a normal delivery and a C-sec delivery of the baby through the incision of the skin of the abdomen, the underlying tissues and the uterus. So basically when in cases there is a medical emergency where आप normal pregnancy या normal delivery नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उस केस में एक C-sec delivery होती है, which is also completely safe. Eddie was a C-sec baby and I was completely up and running from the second day. Then comes the Kegel exercise, basically tensing and relaxing perineal muscles during pregnancy to improve the muscle tones, which helps in actually the preparation of labor. So basically Kegel exercises होती हैं जो आपको doctors या आप काफ़ी सारे books में या online पढ़ रहे होंगे. So don't worry, it's basically to relax and to make you prep for actually the labor. Now you must have heard about prenatal doctor or a prenatologist, a doctor specializing in treating the baby and the mother during pregnancy, labor, delivery. Personally, when mother and the baby is actually at a very high risk during the very first few days of the delivery. Now goes the postpartum, the very famous postpartum, basically a 6-week period after the delivery. अब पोस्टपार्टम के साथ साथ आपने ये भी सुना होगा पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन. आपको डरना बिल्कुल नहीं है. बेसिकली इट्स अ पीरियड ऑफ मोर देन 2 months विच इज बेसिकली सैडनेस, मूड स्विंग, क्राइंग, मिक्स्ड फीलिंग अबाउट मदरहुड. ऐसी फीलिंग्स न्यू मदर्स को आती रहती हैं. बट आई विल से अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है, हार्मोनल चेंजेस बहुत ज़्यादा है, देन यू कैन एक्चुअली कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी कॉमन. बट यू डोंट हैव टू फील अलोन बिकॉज इट एक्चुअली हैपन्स विद 80% of the mothers. Then you must have heard about Lamaze classes. ये काफ़ी popular हो रहा है in the urban city. So basically it's basically a method of actually childbirth with your regular exercises and your breathing exercises. So basically yoga or even weightlifting or any type of exercising which actually involves during this 9 months is what a Lamaze class is all about, which actually preps you physically for the labor. Last is a doula. आपने बहुत सुना होगा. A doula is basically a person which helps you during the labor, actually which is emotionally and physically आपको help करती होती है एंड योर पार्टनर टू डिलीवर एंड हेल्प्स यू इन द लेबर। आजकल डूला सर्विसेज बहुत पहले शुरू हो जाती है विच एक्चुअली हेल्प्स यू प्रेप ड्यूरिंग योर 9 months एंड हेल्प्स यू इवन आफ्टर द डिलीवरी, आफ्टर द लेबर। आजकल विद WHO they are really promoting doula services, so actually this time I'm planning to take it. सो आई होप आप ये वाली सारी टर्म्स से अब रूबरू हो गए होंगे। आई ट्राइड एक्चुअली टू कवर अ लॉट ऑफ टॉपिक्स, अ लॉट ऑफ टर्म्स। अब मैं आपके पास आती रहूँगी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग मदर एंड प्रेगनेंसी रिलेटेड कंटेंट लेकर। ये था मेरा पहला एपिसोड विद हर जिंदगी ऑन प्रेगनेंसी। अगर आप कोई और इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक चाहते हैं ऑन प्रेगनेंसी, देन आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू एक्चुअली शेयर माई जर्नी विद यू। आप मदरहुड से रिलेटेड और भी वीडियोस देख सकते हैं मेरी हर जिंदगी के पेज पर, जो उनकी वेबसाइट पे है, और उसका लिंक है इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन पे, तो देखना ना भूलिए। आई होप कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।